Renault Espace from 2010. Let's talk about the seat of the driver. So we have two adjustments here, that one and this one. There's nothing on this side. There should be a button, but not on this model. Plus, here we have this element, which is the same as this one. You can use it from the handle. Okay, so this one is for going forward or backward. So you lift it up and you can move the seat forward or backward. Okay, this one, if you rotate it to the left, then it's going to bring out this element. This part of the seat will be brought out. Now it's bringing it out. Now it's sending it backward. This part is coming outside, and now it's going backwards. Outside and inside. That one is for the height of the entire seat, so it will raise from this portion. Okay, and now it's going down. You can do that while you're sitting in the seat also. So to go up, pull it up. And I'm getting higher and higher. Okay, another adjustment is this one. You have to move the top part to the back, like so, and then you can adjust the back of the seat. So I'm holding it with my hand backwards, and then I can adjust the seat. If I let it go here, it's blocked. Move it backwards. Now it's down there. Okay, this one has a ratchet element. Now it's up. Now it's totally down. Notice those click sounds. So now it's blocking it there. And if I pull it all the way to the top, then it will go down. Higher, higher. Third, fourth, fifth. And nothing. Goes back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sixth will allow it go down. So on the front seats, this one is adjusting the height of the seat, whereas on the rear seat, this one is adjusting the forward and backward movement of the seat. So now this one is getting higher and higher, and now lower. Whereas this one, if I lift it up, then I can slide the seat. The middle one has this metal. So the two side seats have this one, and the middle one has this one. You have to raise it, and then you can slide the seat. If you have such rubber protections here, like this one, then those are blocking the seats and you cannot move them forward and backward The leg of the seat is here, exactly where the rubber is. The same thing here also. So this seat cannot come backward anymore because this one is blocking it. There's more space here. This seat can come backwards.